Budgie is a little helicopter. He is brave, a little hero. Budgie and friends are always working hard together. Pippa, Chuck and Lionel in a new adventure.
Budgie!
Rocketing roadies!
Oh, Budgie will always help if there's a problem. And if someone's in trouble, he's there on the double. He'll just grin and zoom off to the rescue. To the rescue, to the rescue. Budgie and friends are always working hard together. Pippa, Chuck and Lionel in a new adventure. Oh, Budgie is a little helicopter. He is nippy, look at him go, it's Budgie, the little helicopter.
It was just an ordinary working day at Harefield Airfield, but Budgie was behaving in a quite extraordinary way.
Budgie! Budgie!
Oh no!
Budgie!
Budgie! What are you doing?
What do you do that for?
I asked first. What are you up to?
I think I'm in trouble with Lionel.
Why?
Because I haven't been through the heli-wash yet.
Oh, Budgie.
Well, it looks as if there's going to be a storm anyway. I could just wait for the rain to do it.
Honestly.
Budgie! Seen Budgie anywhere, Del?
Not this morning, Gov. In trouble again, is he?
We'll both be in trouble if I can't find him. I'll have another look in the hangar. Budgie!
He's going into the hangar. Look, Pippa, if you can keep him talking, I can nip through the heli-wash while he's not looking.
All right. Just this once.
Oh, thanks, Pippa.
Well.
Budgie! Where on earth has he got to? Budgie!
Are you looking for Budgie, Lionel?
I've been looking for Budgie for the last 10 minutes. Have you seen him?
I was talking to him not long ago.
Where?
Outside.
Yes, but where outside?
Outside the hangar.
Well, of course it was outside the hang...
I think he was heading for the heli-wash.
Budgie? Going for a wash? Shuddering joysticks. Oh, I think I'm going to faint.
Oh, well, soap in my eyes, soap in my eyes. Oh, that's better.
Budgie! Oh, there you are.
Just having my usual wash, Lionel. I like to keep bright and shiny.
First I've heard of it. Anyway, you've no time to waste going through the heli-wash.
Time to waste? You mean I didn't need to have a wash?
Of course not. Now I've got a really important job for you to do. Briefing in the hangar in 5 minutes, all right?
I didn't need to go through the heli-wash.
Juddering joysticks. I think he's going to faint.
So you collect the spares from the depot and fly them out to the naval destroyer, all right?
Great, Lionel. Hooray, I'm going to join the Navy.
Say, Captain, Lionel.
I know what you're going to say, Chuck, and the answer's no.
Oh, but Lionel!
It's not a very big ship. There'll be no room on the deck for you to land.
Oh, come on! Give me a break! I always wanted to be in the military!
I dare say Pippa would like to go too.
Yes, I would.
But she's not cut out for landing on decks at all, so it'll have to be Budgie. All right?
Okay, but...
All right?
Okay, Captain.
Gosh, this really is hard work. Whoa! Wonder how much further. Better try and get in touch with them. Budgie to destroyer. Budgie to destroyer.
Destroyer to Budgie. How do you read me? Over.
Pardon? Oh, I see. Reading you loud and clear. Over.
Destroyer to Budgie. How can we help you? Over.
Well, I don't know where you are. Budgie to Destroyer. Over.
Destroyer to Budgie. We have your visual. Over.
What?
We can see you. Over.
Well, I can't... Oh, no! Budgie to Destroyer, I can't see you. Oh, get off, you silly thing.
Say again. Over.
I'm talking to the seagull.
Destroyer to Budgie. Seagull. Confirm. Over. Destroyer to Budgie. Say again. Over.
Where are you?
Destroyer to Budgie. We're firing a flare. Over.
Oh, great. There you are. I'm coming over. Over there. Over. Oh, you know what I mean.
Steady! Look out!
Oh, what horrible smoke. It's making me feel seasick.
Destroyer to Budgie. Over.
Hello? Oh, sorry. Budgie to Destroyer. Over.
No use, Budgie. Weather too bad to land load.
Phew, I'll say.
Proceed to aircraft carrier until weather improves. Over.
Will do. Ooh, over and out.
But is he all right, Lionel?
Oh, absolutely, Pepper. Rough trip, but he's got to the aircraft carrier.
I knew I should have gone. It's a job for a real strong guy.
Maybe you're right, Chuck.
Oh, I do hope he is all right.
Hello?
Hi. Had a bumpy flight, I hear.
Whew, I'll say. Made me feel quite sick.
You'll get used to it. Anyway, I'll talk to you later.
Where are you going?
I'm not going. You are.
Sorry, I don't quite... Whoa! Help! Help! We're sinking! Man the lifeboats!
Don't panic, old chap. It's only the platform lift. The hangar's down there.
The hangar? In the basement? Gosh! Ooh, golly. What a place.
Here's that civilian helicopter, Charlie.
Right, well, we better check it over. It's had a rough trip. Let's get the gear.
Rough trip, I'll say. But I made it. Oh dear, tired.
So he'll have to spend the night aboard the carrier.
Oh, right.
Come on, Mike. Never mind the jam, Butty.
OK, Chief. Coming.
No use even thinking of doing anything outside. It's going to bucket down.
It's raining already.
Really? Well, you're making sense for once.
Hey, what do you mean?
Exactly. Come on, let's catch up on some maintenance.
Cool. It's raining cats and dogs.
Raining cats and dogs, dead right.
Wakey, wakey!
What? What's the matter?
Come on, Budgie. Rise and shine.
Oh, what time is it?
Let you have a lie-in. 6:30.
6:30?
That's right. On parade in half an hour.
Oh, half an hour.
After you've been through the wash.
Oh, not the wash. I might just as well be at home.
Sorry, what?
I said, I think I'd better be getting home. Yes. What's the weather like?
Still windy, but improving.
Oh, good. I'd better go. Pity to miss the wash, but the job comes first.
Quite right. Jolly good show.
Navigation bridge to Budgie. You are clear for takeoff. Over.
Budgie to navigation bridge. Thank you. Taking off. Bye.
Goodbye, Budgie. Over and out.
Phew. I was lucky to escape that. I bet a Navy wash is really awful.
Carrier to Budgie. Carrier to Budgie. Mayday, mayday. Over.
Oh, gosh. Now what? Budgie to carrier. I hear you loud and clear. Over.
We have a man overboard. Can you help? Over.
A man overboard? Gosh, yes. Budgie to carrier. Will do.
Budgie.
Yes, the sailor's fine. Jolly well done, Budgie. I hear you can't get back to your base. That right?
Yes, they've had even worse weather, and the airfield's flooded. I'm going to have to stay here until the water goes down.
Never mind, old boy. You're welcome to stay. In fact, I've laid on a special treat.
Oh, great! What?
Well, you're too late for it, really, but you've been so jolly brave. We're letting you have it just the same.
Super! What?
A really hot and soapy heli wash.
Shuddering joysticks!